Hey, I'm Kyle, and we're in the drafting room. So this is the 720 millimeter 6-drawer cabinet from Sonic Tools, and it's it's got a lock and stuff like that. We don't really use the locks. But you can set it up if you want to. This one has 3 shallow drawers, 2 kind of like medium deep drawers, and then a deeper drawer down at the bottom. I like this cabinet because it kind of gives you a good mix of different storage options. These are perfect for the Sonic Tool medium inlays. I still think I prefer the 890, the larger ones, but this one's good too because you'll end up with a little bit of a gap if you want to put some extra stuff in the back with a medium inlay, or you can do 3 small inlays across. So we've got 3 of those drawers, and then we've got a kind of like a deeper drawer. So this would be good for like some Milwaukee tools. Maybe if you were going to do tool grid and you had some taller items, you can do it in that. One of my favorite things about pretty much all of these cabinets are the bottom drawers all have mounting for the power bars. They don't come with a power bar out of the box, but you can buy them if you want. And then you can put a power bar. There's a nice little bracket in the back that keeps the cord from binding up and stuff like that. And then you can have all your storage for batteries and stuff like that down below with the capacity to be able to charge them, which is pretty cool. We don't really spec these out all that much. I do spec these more than the 8-drawer version because this one is a little bit more versatile with the different size drawers and everything. I kind of prefer the 3-drawer, or again, going to like an 890 size gives you a little bit more tool storage. But these are good. We'll use these when we don't have space for an 890, or maybe the person's not quite as Sonic Tools inlay focused. But these are just a good all-around cabinet that we'll use when we have the space for it.